Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully installed React Bootstrap and also here we added some of the component, right? So now in this video, I want to discuss about that routing. So it's very much important one of the part, that means the routing. So what exactly that routing? So if you understand it very easily, that routing means one of the path. That means right now we are working with the React JS, right? Into the React JS main features is that there is one of the single page application is called as that SPA. That means a single page application. That means right now that is the home page. When we will create another page as a about page, when we will create another as a profile or the blog page. So every page, like if you want to redirect it to home page to the about us page, then it should be redirected without loading that page, right? So that is actually the single page application. So like if you go to a React official website, into the React official website, here you can see there is actually a doc, there is a tutorial, blog and the community. So if you click as a doc, you can see without loading that page actually it's redirected to our this URL. So that is actually the routing. Okay, that is actually our path. And also if you go to that tutorial, you can see without loading that page, our this tutorial page is now loaded. Okay, that means that is actually one of the component. So in particular that position, one component is loaded without loading that page. So that is, as I told you, that is a SPA. That means the single page application. If you go to that blog without loading that page, everything is happening on here. So now I want to do the same things. I want to create some of the page and here I want to add some of the path. That means here I want to put some of the route. So friend, don't worry, step by step everything will be much clear to you. Okay. Like here, that is our one of the navbar I have already added. That is our React navbar. So now if you go to our source file, so that is our app.js, into the app.js area. So here I loaded one of the navbar, and that is our breadcrumb, and also there is a button, right? So right now we don't need this button. Better I just simply remove it. I just simply remove it from here, and also there is our drop down. That means a nav drop down. So that is our nav drop down. So right now I don't need this. I want to actually remove that nav drop down. Okay, I just simply remove it, and I just want to put some of the page. That means the home page. I want to put some of the like as a about. Okay, about page. That means the about us page, and then contact us page. Contact us, and also better I copy it. And I want to take another page for the blog page, and that is another one as a profile. Okay, so I just simply added some of the navbar menu. Now if you click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, so now here you can see there is a about us, there is a contact us, there is our blog, and there is a profile. And better I want to change it. Like here, I want to make the things as easy learning. Okay, I just make the things as easy learning, save all, and refresh. So that is our refresh. So now I want to create some of the component as a about us component, the contact us component, the blog, and the profile. So when you click as a about us, it should be redirected to our this route area. That means in our about us page, and this about us page will be loaded. Right? So here this component will be loaded without loading that page. So this functionality, that means when you click as a about us page without loading that page, our component will be loaded. So this functionality is actually done by this routing. Okay, so for the reasons here we have to install it. We have to install, that is also one of the another package done by this routing. So for doing this routing, we have to install one of the package. So that is actually another package as a React routing. So that is one of the third-party package that we have to install it. So when we install it, then we can make that portions as per our demand, like when it should be redirected to our another page without loading that page, it should be redirected. Go to that blog, it should be redirected without loading that page. So I want to apply the same things with using that routing for our this application. So that is our about us page, the contact us page, there is a blog, and the profile. So here we will actually create some of the component, and we will load all that component with using that routing. So as I told you, for doing this we have to install one of the third-party package, that is our React routing. And this React routing, they have the two type. One is the React Native, which is used for creating some of the mobile application like Android and the iOS mobile application. Another is the React DOM. This DOM is used for the web applications. Like right now, that is actually one of the web applications. So if you want to install that routing, so you have to install that React DOM. And when you're working with the mobile apps for the Android, for the iOS, then you have to install that React Native. I hope it's very much clear to you, friend. So now we are working with the web version. So for the web version, we have to install that React DOM, right? So how can do that work? Don't worry, step by step, everything will be very much clear to you. So in our next video, I want to discuss about how can you install that routing package in your project. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.